Hello and welcome to the Taxtron desktop tutorial video series. In this video, I will be going over how to enter your license number. Upon launching Taxtron, locate the Tools option at the top of the window and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, where you should select Activate Software. This will open the Activation Manager. Inside the Activation Manager window, find the Registration Information section. Under this section, you will see fields labeled License Number and E-Filer Number. In the provided fields, please enter the license number that you received for your Taxtron software via email and your E-Filer number. For demonstration purposes, we will enter a dummy license and E-Filer number. After inputting the necessary details, click on the Activate button. If a valid license and E-Filer number are entered, your software will be activated successfully. You will observe a pop-up confirming this action. If you wish to purchase the T1 Professional or T2 Professional software license key, simply click on the Buy License button. This will direct you to the Taxtron website where you can proceed with purchasing a license key. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for even more exciting content. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be alerted every time we upload a new video.